boy forgot to hook up their mic. So here is me doing a voiceover of my video. This video is pretty much just going to be about my two boys, Shadow and Popcorn, and how they probably will be in some future videos. I've had people ask me, so I don't know, figured I would bring them in some of my tutorial videos. I know programming can be kind of boring to watch, so hopefully this will spice it up a little bit. Anyway, yeah, this is Shadow. He's one of my two boys. He's the chunkier one, and he's pretty, like, a little calmer, honestly. He's pretty chill. He's kind of just romping around and playing and exploring. But yeah, he's calm dude, and not much else to say really. I mean, you'll see him more. And then the other one I have here is Popcorn. He's a little more like skittish and hyper, but he likes to explore as well. He's just not as adventurous as his brother, which is kind of funny because it used to be the other way around. But I think as they got older, their personalities change. Yeah, I'm like wrestling him right now. He's trying to hide. So, yeah. Hopefully, it'd be also nice to, like, I know rats don't have like the best rap, but they're really intelligent and they're actually pretty clean. I mean, they clean themselves like cats do. You can see them sniffing. Yeah. This video is a little weird because I forgot to turn on my mic, but hope you enjoy. Subscribe, follow me. Alright, bye.